This is a quick, easy meal that is a fusion of Mexican and Italian cuisine. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a delicious one-pot taco spaghetti dinner. Stay tuned. This Tex Mex taco spaghetti dinner recipe is so easy, and you can make it all in one pot. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a pound of ground beef, cooking and chopping until no longer pink. I'm adding in 1 small diced onion and about a half a cup of diced bell peppers, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, and a pinch of salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 2 minutes. You can add what you like. You could also add a can of green chillies or some diced jalapenos for a little heat. This is 1 can of Rotelle, which is diced tomatoes with some green chilies, and I'm also adding a half a small can of tomato paste, which will help thicken the sauce. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes to get the paste to disperse and coat the meat. During the cooking process, I'm adding in a total of 4.5 cups of water, and this is 3 cups. Giving that a stir and bringing this up to a simmer. For the spices, you simply can add your favorite taco seasoning, or here I'm using 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon each of smoked paprika, oregano, and cumin. These are my go-to Mexican spices. Giving that a stir and giving it a taste. Add any salt, pepper, or any spices that you like. I'm adding in a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat. This is 1 pound of spaghetti that I broke in half so it fits in the pan and it's easier to eat. Giving that a little stir and adding in the other 1.5 cups of water. Bringing this up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 13 to 15 minutes or until the spaghetti is tender. During this cooking time, give the spaghetti a stir a couple times so it does not stick to the bottom, and you can add more water as needed. We don't like our sauce to be too thin. The taco spaghetti is done and I'm turning off my heat. I'm topping with some cheese, and this is a cheddar cheese blend. You can garnish with some green onions, cilantro, or whatever you would put on a taco. You can even top with some sour cream or crushed tortilla chips. Why not? It's your taco spaghetti. This Tex-Mex taco spaghetti is a winner with the family. The best part is, it's quick, easy, made in 1 pot for less cleanup, and did I mention, it is great on the budget. I hope you give this easy 1-pot taco spaghetti a try, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!